Saturday, man, it's been raining off and on all day long.
What you want? What you want?
So I've been trudging around in the rain trying to get stuff up. So this is like my gatekeeper. He's always here all the time. He's old. Got a little trick-or-treater. Got him on a hangman's noose. It's kind of funny. This dude, Mache, he's at least 6 years going or more. Wraith right here coming up, which is going to be kind of cool. We've got a little thing in here. I don't even know what to call it, but it looks neat at night. We'll probably put a strobe light inside there and light that stuff up. Makeshift Reaper right here, which will push everybody around the corner to come back off to the graveyard over here. This area, we got these spider wrap guys, so I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and get some spider webs and just kind of encase this whole area, if I can, in spider webs. And then I'm going to make some like quick and dirty spiders, some bigger spiders, one to set back off over here and one to put up over there somewhere. I'm just going to melt plastic bags down, a couple big balls, and throw some legs on it. It's not going to be detailed, they're just going to represent a big spider. Back in this area behind the Reaper over here, I'm still going to do like 3 or 4 big cross style tombstones. We've got a ground breaker right here coming out. Let's go around the ground breaker. Got another one here. Come around, we got our tree I made years ago. We got some stuff up in the witches area. Pumpkin Sentinel dude, they're going to have to walk through. We got some witch lanterns up over here. Got the pot in where it needs to be. This little witch here. Still got to hang a pot here. Live actor in here. Witch's hut. And just took some creepy cloth. Got that stuff set up. Put some witch lanterns on here. I cut some vines that were growing in my garage and put them all on the side over here to cover this type of stuff up. Looks pretty decent. Right now we got some shrunken heads hanging. This witch, which was always my favorite one, but she's 6-7 years old. She's starting to wear out. I'm going to have to change her up, but anyway, she's under here. Probably put a ledge on this half door here, put some potion bottles and things like that. Then maybe a character back in there and put a strobe light in that area there. Still got to get hangman's noose up over here. We got this is gonna put bones and skulls and stuff on that. A couple little pumpkin sentinels on here. They're gonna go between these guys down the lane, and then the pumpkin dragon is out, ready to go. So he's set up. Then over here, you know, this is going to be the exit. I've got all these pumpkins here, and it's like I'm still not sure what to do with this corner yet. I want to do something with these pumpkins. I don't know if I make more sentinel type things, quick sentinels out of them, fill this area up. I just don't know. I mean, I've made so many pumpkins and I've sold so many. I just need like 100 pumpkins to make a big, awesome, crazy pumpkin deal. It'll be sweet. But anyway, that's all I got left of my pumpkins, and I need to just figure out this corner. So tomorrow, build a hangman's noose over there, get that up, try to figure out the issue with these pumpkins. If I got some webbing, I'll start webbing, but I probably will wait until closer to Halloween before I start webbing, because that stuff gets screwed up in the weather. But we'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, it's Sunday and it's raining a lot more than yesterday, so I'm stuck in the garage. Figured I'd knock some of this stuff out that I wanted to do and add on, like tombstones and spiders. So anyway, I'll show you what I'm working on. So doing a quick and dirty spider. No, won't be a lot of detail. This is just a bunch of plastic that I had sitting around. Melted it down with a heat gun to make a big abdomen. Working on a smaller headpiece right now. This is just Walmart sacks. Get this together, and then I'll wrap it all in black plastic and heat it down once again. think I'll put a couple pinchers on it and the new legs, and that'll be it. Okay, so it's not a highly detailed spider, but it's a spider, and that's how we're going to leave it. Black. I'm not going to worry about eyes, anything like that. Just be able to put it out there, and the light on it, dark, it'll look like a spider. That'll work. So it has rained all day. It rained hard. I'm not going to wind up working on that corner out there where those pumpkins were going to be. The ground's just super soaked. Everything is just really saturated, so I'm not going to get out there and turn it into a mud hole right now. I still got plenty of weekends coming up. You know, shoot, I got another 3 weekends before Halloween gets here. I got most of the props set up yesterday. Besides taking care of those pumpkins over there and getting that stuff taken care of and putting the spider webs up in that one area, you know, pretty well got most everything done, besides little crows here and there and rats and things and small stuff, really small detail stuff. So anyway, but I did get the spider done today. That's going to go over there, and I knocked out a couple new tombstones I'm going to set up in there. I'll show you those real quick. So these 2 tombstones are going to go out in the graveyard, and they are super rough. I'm going to go ahead and tea stain them. It'll bring a lot of stuff out, but I wasn't going to waste a lot of time with detail. And they're rough enough that I think they look like they've been out here forever. And that's kind of cool. Ancient old stones. They're so rough. I mean, all I did was do a main block cut on these, and then I just used a heat gun after that to shape them. I mean, that's how rough and fast that I did these. Just straight up, quick rough out, and then heat gun. Didn't waste any time really trying to put any detail into them. But they're just going to be an old stone, so that'll work. So I'm going to call it today. It's super wet. I got a few more things to get done. I'm pretty happy with where I'm at, so I'm going to chill out and let the yard dry up, let everything dry up, and get back at it next weekend. See you guys later.